Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tex and Happy New Year to you guys. Me and my friends decided to spend the last days of 2017 with a short trip to Cameron Highlands, and here are some footage. This waterfall is first station when you are driving up to Cameron Highlands. You can buy some food and craft around the waterfall. On the halfway of driving up Cameron Highlands, you will be able to visit Boh Tea Plantation. Boh is Malaysia's well-known tea leaf producer. At Boh Tea Plantation, you can enjoy their tea farm view, tea, and desserts made with their tea leaves. Not only that, you'll also be able to witness the process of drying the tea leaves. As you drive, you will reach another tea farm, Barat Tea Factory. You'll also be able to enjoy their tea and desserts made from their tea leaves. For this tea farm, you will be able to get down to the middle of the tea farm and take some pictures. After we visit Barat Tea Factory, we went to Key Farm Market to buy some food for our steamboat. Because I need hand to carry the food we purchased for our steamboat, I did not record footage. Sorry guys. At Key Farm Market, you will also be able to buy vegetables, Cameron corn, and Cameron strawberry. Not only you can buy vegetables here, you can also buy ice cream made from local strawberry. Yes, I know, it is crazy enough to have ice cream at such a cold place. We rent an Airbnb just right beside Brinchang Night Market. Same as Key Farm Market, you can buy local planted vegetables and also local food. The next day, we went to Cactus Point. At Cactus Point, you will be able to purchase cactus and some flowers. You'll also be able to purchase some pots for your plant. You will be enjoying yourself here if you love planting. At Cactus Point, you will also be able to pluck strawberries. After we are done with Cactus Point, we directly went to Ipoh as our middle stop for food and souvenir before we back to Kuala Lumpur. This is how I spent my new year with my friends. How did you guys spend your new year? That is all for this vlog. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, remember to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Mr. Tech YouTube channel.